How to download and install FiveM in 2025 for GTA 5. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So in order to download and install FiveM in your PC, you just need to go ahead and visit the FiveM website, which is fivem.net. Once you're in the website, you need to go ahead and tap on download client option, which is highlighted in red color in the box. Simply tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on Sure, I agree by going through all these terms of service. If it does not automatically find your GTA V folder, you will need to tell it where it is. Now you can go ahead and join the server. Some servers need you to apply or verify through Discord. Make sure to follow the server's instruction and read the rules. So install the TeamSpeak or Discord. These are often needed for voice chat and roleplay servers. And stay up to date on server news and whitelist applications by joining the roleplay communities on Discord. And also, don't forget to use a microphone or headset. This will improve the communication during the roleplay. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.